In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Monkey Video Chat app. Let's open it. After installation, you can either sign in with Google or Facebook. Let's choose Google and choose your Google account. And you have to just allow the permissions to the app. So tap on allow here and allow all the permissions. Okay, tap on wait. So the first tab on Monkey app is the Video Chat tab, as you can see here. And you can just tap on this screen to start the video chat. And then you can just video chat with the people just like this. Now in case if you want to skip to the next person, you can just tap on this button here and it will skip the chat to another person. If you want to write a text message, you can just tap on this send message button and send any message that you like. Also, you can send friend request to the person by tapping on this button here, and as you can see, friend request has been sent. And while in chat, you can also send likes by tapping this like button, and you can also give them gifts by tapping on this gift button, but you have to purchase gift packs for this. Now while in video chat, you can also use the back camera, but you have to purchase Monkey Plus for this. And if you ever feel the need to report the person, you can just tap on this button here, police icon, and you have to choose any of these categories and the person will get reported. But you can do so only if there is a need. Now if you want to exit out of the video chat, you can just tap on this cross button and then it will ask you if you want to exit. You can just tap on KK button to exit. Now there's a 2P mode here, that is you can use your friends to chat along with other people. You can invite any of your friends and then appear as couple or pairs. Now there's also an option to filter the gender or the country, but you have to be a Monkey Plus user in order to do that. Last but not the least, if you tap on this clock icon at the top left side, you'll get a list of the people that you had recently been on video chat, and you can view their profile and follow if you like. Also, there's an option to delete these people out of this list. That's all about the first tab. Let's go to second tab, that is the swiping tab. It's just like dating app. You can swipe right to the people that you like, and when there is a match, you can just directly contact with them. Yes, I have got a new friend here. Now you can write message here, and you will get all your chats on this third tab, that is messages tab. And we have here one more thing, that is notification icon on the top right side. You'll get all the notifications of friend requests or messages on this section. Now let's go to the fourth tab, that is profile. And you can customize your name, birthday, or you can also add pictures. You can also verify your profile with this verification option to get more likes or matches. And we have got one more thing here, that is settings icon at the top right side. You can link your Facebook account, review the block list, and also hide your online status, enable hands-free mode, and also sign out. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.